Okay, so this was a big one from Costco. They recently announced that they're going to be shutting down the photo centers. You know, Costco, when you walk in on the left hand side, the photo center, not going to be there anymore. We all know and love Costco for several things: the membership, the cheap gas, the cheap food on the way out, which I have no idea why they're not changing the price of the hot dogs, but hey, I ain't complaining. Those are delicious. And of course, the photo center. Photo center is going to slowly start disappearing. They announced that they officially cannot keep up with everything being digital and people not really printing pictures out, which kind of makes sense. I don't know about you guys, but my wife and I like to send out Christmas cards every year to friends and family, and we often get those printed at Costco to be able to get the physical picture and actually put it in a envelope and snail mail it out to family because it's nice. You know what I mean? They get it, they put it on their fridge. When you go to their house, you get to see other people that sent them cards and that kind of thing. But yeah, Costco officially announced that it's going to start shutting that department down. Um, what do you guys think? Do you guys print out pictures? Do you guys ever use Costco, Walgreens? What do you guys use? So it's saying that Costco is super affordable for people that would print out pictures. That they would charge less than $2 a roll, and competitors would often charge several times more than this. So I definitely think people are going to feel Costco closing these photo centers down. But yeah, I mean, it's only a matter of time. How long could you stay in the past for? You know what I mean? So I don't know. What do you guys think? Are you guys sad to see this go? Do you guys care? Do you guys not care? Do you guys send out pictures? Like I said, I know my wife and I send out Christmas cards, physical things. But it's funny because usually people take those and put them on the fridge, right? The magnet and that kind of thing. My in-laws actually have a fridge that has a screen on it. So I guess we're all doomed into everything becoming digital. I wonder how that's going to be. We send my in-laws a Christmas card and it just pops up on their fridge like that instead of a physical picture. But yeah, I'll be sad to see it go. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below.